What's going on, bro? Thanks for watching another video. Today is Tuesday. It's actually about 2 hours before the video comes out where I'll show you guys that I got this back. I'm very excited to see you guys' responses once you see that video. But anyway, in today's video, if all goes according to plan, you might hear the Polo fire up with a turbo on it. I can't guarantee you that, but let's see how it goes. The update on this is I got the oil feed made yesterday. As you can see, it's a banjo bolt that goes in there, and this is our new oil drain setup, so I can just cut it to desired length. I'm extremely excited for this. It's a lot cleaner than my old setup. This is the old setup, which was extremely janky, as you guys can see. This pipe here, that one there, the drain, is thicker than the outlet on the sump. So as you can see, I had to stretch that silicone hose to get over there and then clamp it down on the sump. This is going to be one size, and the turbo now is going to be top feed and bottom drain, whereas this one was bottom feed and bottom drain. I don't know, this was a janky setup. I didn't like this, but I never changed it. That's how I got the turbo, and that's how we made it work. So the next step for us is going to be to go to Brett from P-Tech. He's going to flare a piece of pipe for us that's going to fit in there with a clamp, and then we can clamp it down.
5 hours later.
Right, boys, it's finally done. It's 4:30 p.m. now. I've been going at this all day. Brett got us this piece flared, which, to be honest, fits a lot better than I thought it would. This is an 85mm diameter, so from here we're going 76mm, and then the rest of the system is 76 straight pipe, as you know. Original BMW V-band clamp that we got here fits perfectly fine. The only thing I must do still is get a gasket maker or something like that, so we can get a gasket where these two meet up in there. Not a big deal, but other than that, we've got everything to fit this turbo on the car.
Several days later.
Welcome back, guys. It's been 5 days since we last spoke, and I promised you guys that I will do a startup in this video with a turbo on. We last spoke on Tuesday. Today is currently Sunday, and I'm just about to fit the turbo. It's still early, still got a lot of time during the day. The car is actually going in for fabrication tonight. You can see how dusty it is because I didn't cover it, because I didn't think that we'd be waiting up to today to fit the turbo. But these things from VW finally came in on Friday afternoon. I ordered them last week Friday, so it took all of a week to come, and that's basically all we were waiting for. Before we fit the turbo though, there's a couple of small things that I need to do to it, like fit this EGR blanking plate that we got. And what else is there? Oh, I must fit the drain and the feed. Got the new gasket set for that as well. Exhaust manifold gasket. There's the gasket for the drain. Basically we got everything here. This exhaust gasket we're not gonna use. Everything on the turbo is assembled. Oil drain, oil feed. I'm not sure if I should have put this in. I might be struggling to get that bolt in there, or the nut for the manifold in there, but we'll see once it's on the car. Otherwise I'll just take this feed off, fit the turbo, and then fit the feedback. And we also got the EGR blank on there. I'm just going to drain the coolant. If you guys remember, this is the first time I'm driving the car since we did the head. So there's a plug here at the back. So there was just some radiator flush to clean out the motor, and then once I get back now, by the way, I live right there, for those of you who don't know. So when I get back home, I'll just put some antifreeze in it. Car sounds good. It sounds a bit funny, but I think it's because half the exhaust gases is going through the old exhaust and half of them is just escaping into the bay. You would have seen how much smoke comes into the car. I don't know if you guys could pick it up on camera. I believe you would have. But so there's a lot of exhaust gases coming into the cabin for now. I'm not going to drive the car today. The car is going tonight for fabrication, so I'll drive it to the fabricator, but it's not far from me. Probably around 10-15 k's, I would say. So I'll drive it there. The car doesn't have an intake and a downpipe on at the moment. That's the only things that need to change. I hope you guys will be able to see. So yeah, just the intake and then the downpipe, and then everything is sorted from there. We still have the dark side cam to put in as well, which I'll do on a dyno so we can see exactly what that cam does. Okay, we made it back home. I'm not going to do the antifreeze or the coolant now, simply because the motor is going to be hot. I put some radiator flush in with about a liter, maybe a liter and a half's worth of water, so the motor was running low on coolant. But I literally drove it, I think it was like maybe 600-800 meters. So the system is flushed now. I'm going to wait for the motor to cool off before we put the new coolant in. And then, like I mentioned, the car is going in for fabrication tonight. So he said I will have the car back this coming week. Today is Sunday, like I mentioned. He said we'll have the car back, I'm guessing around Thursday or Friday. So we will have the car back pretty soon. But I will go to his shop because, like I mentioned, he lives just behind the mountain from me. I will go to his shop and do some filming, show you guys how we overcome the struggles of the intake and the downpipe. That's all that needs to change at the moment, by the way. So I will go and film a bit for you guys at his house. I'm not sure exactly when this week, because I do have some work that I need to do on my side as well, some clients' cars that I need to get done. But yeah, basically I'm going to love and leave you guys. I'll see you in the next one, bro. Peace out and reflect your passion.